Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the week from 31st of August till 6th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's see what is there for my Aquarians from 31st of August till September 6th. My tarot angels, please guide me so that I can guide my Aquarians for this week. For the coming week, for my Aquarians, please. 3 shuffles. This is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay. One more. At the back of the deck, it's the Knight of Rods. So this is a very fast energy, furious kind of an energy, where you are ready to, to explore new things, to enter into any kind of conflict as well. So you are in a mode where no one just cannot, no one can mess with you. All right, so a perfect word right now for you. So no one can mess with you because you are in an energy where you are very enthusiastic, you are feeling very independent, you are feeling happy, you are single. Okay, so that is why you are really happy. If not also, then also it's not a problem with you because you are always single from your mind, Aquarians. All right, so the past energies are 9 of Swords, 2 of Cups and 4 of Pentacles. Okay, holding on, still holding on with a breakup because you have already wasted a lot of nights. I am seeing over here. Already wasted a lot of nights, a lot of time for someone who was not meant to be yours forever. And this person I'm really getting, with like not able to let go of the past issues. This, I don't feel that it's you. Your energies are this. You are crying. And but the other person, on the other hand, if this is a love relationship for those only, it's like a very much of holding on with the past issues with you. Your present energies are 9 of Pentacles, 5 of Rods and 8 of Swords. So you are still in this kind of a conflict with someone and you don't know what exactly the scenario is. You don't know whether they basically whatever this person is, or if this is a situation in your life, people are trying to handle you in a wrong way, like they are telling you what to do, and you are in a phase that you are tired plus you are afraid, and you don't know that you are not able to see the exact face of someone because your eyes are closed, or you are feeling that your eyes are closed. This is a big illusion right now in your life. You are feeling that you are in a conflict, you are hanging on, you are fighting with a person or situation because you are not able to see the exact scenario. But no, you are able to see. It's just an illusion, it's just an hallucination where you are not able to see, but you know the truth. Future cards: Queen of Swords, 8 of Pentacles and 2 of Pentacles. A lot of effort you want to apply in this situation. You want to apply a lot of effort. I'm seeing a lot of effort. You can give like your nights and days to this person or the situation. Plus, for some people who are really in their work, and you are really going to be a lot more busier than usual. So just don't take so much of time that you don't even have time for yourself, because I'm seeing a lot busy. Your schedule is going to be really busy in future, but you have to take some decision sometime where you know that the things are not working fine. Okay, so let's see why is the Knight of Rods here. Why the Knight of Rods here in the overall energy for my Aquarians. The Hierophant. So this might be regarding with for some people it might be a marriage as well, where you are like in some conflicts and you are ready to move on with someone else, or basically a new life. All right, with the Devil, yeah, a toxic marriage over here. Someone is leaving. Might not always does not need to be a marriage only, it can be a relationship as well. So, okay, might be dealing with a Capricorn or a Taurus over here. So it is really toxic. It is toxic. Let's see why the Nine of Swords is here in your past energies. Queen of Swords. Okay, so somebody was so much in his or her place where you are like you are not ready to even listen to anyone. So someone was crying and the other person was not even listening to that person. This is a lot of bad side of the Queen of Swords, when she is like if she does not want to entertain anyone, she does not entertain. If you are crying, if you are like praying for me, if you are begging for me to come back, it's a no from Queen of Swords always, because she is done with it. She has moved on. This is not you, I guess. This is the other person. Let's see, Two of Cups. Why the Two of Cups is here? Five of Swords. So you thought that this is the person, this is my soulmate, but how do they actually are? The betrayal people. You are dealing with someone who knows how to betray, who knows how to manipulate, who knows how to come back again but leave again. So betrayal. Let's see, Four of Pentacles. Six of Wands. So this is more about a temporary success. Ego issues as well. I'm seeing that like someone is holding on the past energies because someone has moved on. I'm seeing with the Six of Wands, it's like I am into my own world. I have entered a new zone in my life. New people are there. I'm successful. So someone is in the ego mode. I'm getting over here. Someone is single and he's really happy, he or she, whatever the person is. It's not your energies over here. Let's see why the Nine of Pentacles is here. Let's see why. Nine of Pentacles, please. Nine of Wands. Single and blocking you, or you might be blocking them. Is it you? I don't feel so. It's not your energies, Aquarius. Someone is in a world where that person is strong and independent and happy being single, when this person does not needs anyone. So, and you are still holding on, you are still like you are fighting for this person, like I can do anything for you. And you are the Eight of Swords over here. It's a lot of illusion in your head. Why is this Eight of Swords here? Why Eight of Swords is here, please? Five of Cups. A lot of sadness, regrets, guilt on your side. I don't know why you are feeling guilty. Well, the person with whom you are dealing with, they are the ones who are guilty. I don't know why you are feeling bad. You are feeling sad over here. But why are you not even able to see these two cups which are actually over there? You are just looking at the spilled cups. You are just crying for something which has already spilled. Okay, so just see that there are two more cups over here. That two cups, Two of Cups, that soulmate energy. This person is not your soulmate. No. It's a no. from their side. Queen of Swords with the King of Swords. Yeah, no plus no is equals to no. So that is what the person is telling you, because this person is really much in an energy where no emotions left. Let's see, Eight of Pentacles in your future energies. Why is this Eight of Pentacles over here in your future energies? For my Aquarians, please. So many cards. Knight of Rods. See, so the person with whom you are dealing with is a knight. Is a very, when comes to talking, he or she is very much, wow, he just loves me, I know that, whatever he is saying. So this person does not show anything. It's more about just talking. Okay, so the lover, it's not the lover person. He is just come and go kind of a person who will come again and he will leave again. So if you are really putting a lot of efforts in this situation, I don't judge you. I can't. Moon over here as well. So things you don't even know this, but this person is really hiding a lot of things from you. Two of Pentacles. Let's see why the future energies are telling me with the Two of Pentacles over here. Why the Two of Pentacles is here, please. Three of Wands. So are you going to still wait for this person? Let's see, what else are you going to do? Seven of Wands and Two of Wands. So a lot of confusion, a lot of like telling the person that you are not guilty, you are not the one who did wrong, saying sorry, defeating, basically fighting for yourself, fighting for the relationship, and you are doing it again. I'm seeing you are not letting this person go. Aren't you, Aquarius? Right? Let's see, it's your choice, it's your story. All right, so that's all from my side, Aquarians. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.